What's going on, watch people? Skip from Watching SRQ, back again to take a look at what's inside this new box from Timex. But before we see what's inside, quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Scurfa Diver 1 mounted onto a Toxic NATO's Rogue strap. I think they greatly complement each other, and I really dig it. One of my favorites. So, I was on the Timex website recently. They've been on a real tear of late, releasing a lot of really interesting things. I'm sure the Timex Q, the Falcon Eye, the Marlins, they just keep running out with all kinds of stuff. But I was kind of digging around in their news section and saw something that I hadn't really heard anything about, and it looked really interesting. So I picked this up. This is a Timex Essex Avenue. So I decided we'd unbox, and before we do that, I'll give you a look at what's on the old label here. Give you the model number is down there and whatnot. So in any case, I already removed, of course, the outer shipping packaging because no one cares. And this is the first time I'm seeing it. So here we go. Gray box. Timex, who would expect less? And let's see here. What do I need to do to get this box open? I need to pull. Brr. Open. Open. Yeah, it's open. So, inside, what do we got here? We've got it all wrapped up in a bunch of foam, a bunch of paperwork and whatnot nobody cares about. Hang tag, Timex on one side, and a bunch of garbage on the other because no one cares about. And, well, there it is. So, interesting. It's 44 millimeters according to the Timex website. It's 10 millimeters thick. Got a 22 millimeter lug, so it shouldn't be a problem to put other straps on it. A water resistance of 50 meters, and strangely enough, according to the Timex website, the case is made of low lead brass with some other kind of coating on it. So, yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, got the old Timex thing on the back there. Alright, let me get some plastic off and I'll be right back. Alright people, I'm back. So I got the plastic off of the thing. Not too much trouble there. My initial impressions are a little bit sketchy, I gotta say. I don't dislike the dial. I really like what they've got going on with the angles on the crown guards and to the case itself, and these little kind of angles around the bezel. But, like I said, I got the plastic off. I took the time to set the time and the date. The crown operated really nicely. No trouble there. But the one thing that I noticed when I went ahead and popped it on my wrist, well, if I can do this with this camera in front of my face. Uno momento, por favor. All right. Ah! In any case, so I got it on wrist. As I said, it's 44 millimeter. Is a big one for sure. And the one thing that I've really noticed was the way that they've done these end links here. If you'll notice, the end link has this protruding center bit that they've got the bracelet kind of the inside of the link shows, and it's so big. I have no small wrist either. I've got a 7.5-inch wrist. This boy's gonna have to definitely go on a different strap if I'm gonna have any love for it at all, I'm thinking. But yeah, so no, I do like the clasp. The clasp is nice. I got the way they've done the Timex with little pushers there, the stamped clasp and whatnot. But yeah, not like, Timex. You can't win them all. But in any case, maybe sometimes I get watches in and I don't love them at first and I grow to dig them. So I'm really skeptical about this one. Thank goodness it was on sale on the Timex website. Yeah, Yeah, this is a much better watch. The Scurfa is much better. Here they are side by side. Which one would you choose? Granted, this guy costs a lot more than this guy does. I guess that's all I got for you. So thanks for tuning in. Glad if this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments down below, or I'll be happy to help. And I hope to see you soon. And this is Skip from Watching SRQ signing out. Peace.